The latest version of Relatable comes with new powerful features, making your data more accessible and your workflows even faster. The new Column Actions drop-down centralizes all your column tools in one place, and now includes powerful, Excel-style column filtering. Use the drop-down to freeze or wrap text. Like in Excel, just start typing in the search bar to quickly find what you're looking for. You can also pick exactly which results to show. And finally, you can filter multiple columns at once, making it easy to narrow down to exactly the data you need. With Indirect Filters, you can do away with junction objects and complex automation. Instead, get a simple, dynamic view that brings your related data together, effortlessly and instantly. Let's take a look at a use case. Northern Management Group manages properties for clients, handling everything from daily operations to sourcing and assigning vendors for maintenance and service jobs. Each vendor defines available services and the locations. There are no direct relationships between vendors, their services, and property jobs. With Indirect Filters in the View Builder, we can map fields from each object to dynamically match vendors to jobs. NMG's property managers can now view and compare a tailored list of suitable vendors for each job, all on a single screen, and quickly allocate the best fit vendor at the right price, eliminating the need for multiple tabs, rigid related lists, or complex junction objects and automation. Now let's look at viewing compact layouts in a list. Just hover over a linked cell to get more details about the record. No need to clutter the screen with extra columns. Finally, to export a formatted version of your list, simply select the option from the Export drop-down.